During my leisure period, I used to listen to some music, do some sketching or painting, or maybe play some sports. Hello everyone, I am Priyanshu Kumar. I am from Delhi. I got to know about Akash Institute from a friend of mine. I joined Akash in 2020 for a 4-year classroom program. Initially, I joined Akash to get exposure to the competitive world, and later I decided to continue studying for JEE in class 10th. I appeared for ANTHE in 2019. I received 90% scholarship with AIR 170. JEE is indeed a very tough and competitive exam. I decided to pursue engineering when I was in class 10th. I had loved mathematics since childhood, and after studying 2 years at Akash, I got to know about it even more. JEE की preparation में I used to make sure कि मैं कोई भी क्लास कभी मिस ना करूँ, and even though I miss कि मैं उसको कवर अप कर सकूँ जल्दी से जल्द. जो मैं क्लास में जो भी सीखूँ वो अच्छे से समझ के जाऊँ, ऑन द स्पॉट सारे डाउट्स मैं क्लियर कर सकूँ. एंड एक और बात की नोट्स बनाना काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि क्लास में आप जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन लेते हो वो रिटेन नहीं कर पाते हो आप, तो नोट्स बनाना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. साथ साथ टेस्ट्स देना, टेस्ट को मिस ना करना, टेस्ट के स्कोर को एनालाइज करना, उसके बेसिस पर अगले टेस्ट में अच्छा इंप्रूव करना, ये भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. एक और बात ये है कि मॉक टेस्ट जो आकाश ने कंडक्ट कराए और इसको करना काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, और प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स को सॉल्व करना, उससे हमें एक आइडिया मिलता है कि एक्चुअल एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. जैसा आकाश नो डाउट काफ़ी अच्छा पढ़ाते थे. एट द सेम टाइम अगर कोई डाउट्स रह जाते थे तो वो क्लास में क्लियर करने की कोशिश करते थे, वरना 1-to-1 इंट्रैक्शन में वो डाउट्स को क्रिस्टल क्लियर करके ही छोड़ते थे. और एक और बात, जब भी मेरे टेस्ट में मार्क्स कम आते थे उन्होंने मेरे को डीमोटिवेट होने नहीं दिया. दे डिड नॉट लेट मी गिव अप. टीचर्स के बिना आई कुड नॉट हैव अचीव्ड दिस. इन JEE, speed along with accuracy is extremely important, so make sure you solve lots and lots of mock tests before the final exam. And if you ever get low score, do not get demotivated from it. Take it as a challenge and perform better in the next test. Also, try to maintain zero backlog and clear your doubts as soon as possible. Lastly, I would say keep working hard and never give up. Teachers at Akash were really helpful, friendly, and available at all times. We could ask them out even after the scheduled class timings. Online testing platforms like iTutor and recorded video lectures on them were really helpful. After studying 4 years at Akash, I felt way more confident than I ever was. For JEE Mains, Akash study material and modules along with NCERT are more than enough. NCERT becomes quite useful when it comes to chemistry, and especially inorganic chemistry. I used to study for about 5 to 6 hours daily, and I think 5 to 6 hours of self-study along with regular classes is more than enough to perform well in JEE. No, my preparation journey was not completely stress-free. There were times when I used to feel stressed, and in order to overcome that stress, I used to talk to my parents, teachers, and friends, and I think that really reduced my stress down. In order to maintain my health, I used to do some exercise or play some sports in my leisure time, and along with physical activity, timely consumption of food, in fact healthy food, is also very crucial. No, I do not feel that my friends were a distraction for me. They help me by creating a sense of friendly competitiveness which helps you to perform even better in your exams. During my leisure period, I used to listen to some music, do some sketching or painting, or maybe play some sports. This helped me relax my mind, and I think it's really important to relax your mind when you are working at and studying at this level. I think discipline coupled with hard work is the key to success. If you are disciplined, all you need to do is work upon the right path and you'll reach your destination. For this purpose, I used to create timetable and try to stick to it. I could think of what I could achieve after performing well in the examinations, and that acted as a stimuli for my studies, and I went back to studies. In last few weeks of the exam, I used to keep primary focus on topics which have high weightage. Along with that, मैंने उन टॉपिक पे ध्यान दिया जो कि मेरे मिस हो गए थे during JEE preparation और जिनमें मेरे को low confidence था. And Akash helped me in those days by providing tests like FTS and AIATS, जिससे मेरे को ये पता चला कि मैं उन short period of time में कैसे एक high leap ले सकता हूँ.